This video is going to guide you through the process of going into a co-author folder and copying a test to assign it to your students. So if a coworker has authored a EdConnect test and would like to share it with you, they have already put it in the co-author folder. So to get to that test, you are going to click into Assessments, and you're going to scroll down to a co-authoring folder. And here it will have your different quick assessments or classroom tests or whatever you have that other people have shared with you or that you have shared with others. So I'm going to click on the quick assessment for division. At this point, when this comes up and you click on it, you are always going to want to copy the test for yourself. I always erase the copy part and I put my last name in front of it so it's easier to find for me. So now this is the one I will assign to my students. Everything is done for you in here, so you don't really have to do anything. And you're going to click Generate Test. At this point, just check that everything is how you want it, that you don't want to change anything, all the points are there. If you have a special ed population and they do have the text-to-speech, if you wanted to make sure that it is going to be enabled, you want to go into Test Properties and edit the properties and make sure that you have the text-to-speech clicked, which it was already, and then that would save. If everything looks good, you are going to click Ready to Schedule. It will say, are you sure you want to do this? And you're going to say OK, click OK. And then you will have to click Schedule again. At this point, you're going to put a start date. An end date will already be assigned. And then when you want to score by. If it's automatically scored, you can just pick the same date. But if you have to score some open-ended, you'll want to make it further out. So you are going to go down. I always change the code, and I might change it to slow to division just because it's easier for the kids to type a word that they're familiar with rather than just a string of letters or numbers. And then down here, you're going to want to click Accept Quick Assignment if that's the section that you want. I want my Mathematics Grade 3 and Sovereign Avenue selected. Be careful if you have an after-school class because it might put your after-school class in this quick assignment. If that's the case, you're going to want to edit assignment and make sure that you only select the section for your kids in your homeroom in your daytime class. So I'm going to click Accept Quick Assignment because that's the assignment I want. And then I'm going to click Save and Publish. And this will then publish it to so the test is ready for the students. At this point, this is the most important step. You must go back over to Assessments and go down to the co-authoring folder. Find the test that you just copied, which was Quick Assessment Division. You're going to click on it, and you must click Done Editing. If you do not do this, no one else can pick up the test to copy. Anybody else in the co-authoring folder, it will be locked. So you must go back in and release it back to the folder, or else it will just be unavailable to the rest of the people that want to go in and copy it. If you have any questions or help, just contact me, and I hope this helps.